Alright, so I am leaving here a session with a client at a hotel. It's kind of late. And it got me thinking, very important in this session, because the client said something at the beginning of the session that got me really thinking, this may be more than I bargained for. This may actually not be platonic. Alright, how do I get out of this place? I think I'm lost. Alright, I think this is the exit. Alright. So at the beginning of the session, the client get paid, I got paid, right, at the beginning, and then the client, wait, I am lost. I think it's the other way, sorry. The client said, so here's the payment, and I may give you more, I may give you a tip later, depending on how things go. Whenever someone says, hey, it depends how things go, I'll give you a tip, that should be a sign that they may want something more than what is on the website, right? And I had a suspicion. So I was like, all right. And so what I do in the beginning of my sessions, I do something called meta communication, where we discuss like just whatever's alive in us in this moment. And it was really clear. Like I said it. I actually say it right from the beginning. Like, when you said that line of like, let's see how things go, and I may pay you more, that right away tells me there may be something else that this client wants that they're not communicating, and it's probably sexual. So I said it. And yep, whenever I do meta communication, oh, it's getting dark here. Whenever I do meta communication and I just say the thing I'm thinking, like, especially if I'm thinking that there may be sexual intention, that pretty much opens up that conversation, and then it's their turn to say whatever's alive in them, and yep, it comes out, and I was totally right. Yep, so the client, I'm really comfortable with my clients asking for whatever they want, and this one did. And then I said no, and they asked a few more times, in different ways, it's always very like subtle, and it was still no. And that's how that works. All right, love y'all. Bye.
Wow, you watched to the end. Yay! So I want you to know that if you want more of me, I do provide talking and coaching sessions. We can do it over the phone, so you don't have to live in San Antonio, Texas to meet me, as well as those of you who live in town. I'm around. But yeah, I'm here for you.